is obviously when you go for AI, the first thing you concern is from where the data is coming. Decentralization is a word that we love to say because it's easy to sell.
जितने भी सिंगल लोग ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं वो डेटिंग ऐप इंस्टॉल करके एक्स्ट्रा रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, in future, I think there's a very bright future of CBDC plus crypto plus tokens coming together.
गवर्नमेंट का पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत क्लियर है कि क्रिप्टोस कैन बी एन एसेट बट कैन नॉट बी अ करेंसी इन इंडिया.
Every 3 medicine you buy, at least one is fake. You know where the most of the Bitcoin purchase happened? Rajasthan, women's.
Right.
In coming time, women's are going to be the biggest investors in crypto. NFT is not just about that dogs and cats which you used to buy.
वेलकम टू ऑन राम मनी प्रेजेंट्स कॉफी विद क्रिप्टो पावर्ड बाय मटेरियल बिटकॉइन, जहां पर हम वेल रिनाउंड पर्सनालिटीज को बुलाने वाले हैं एंड बातचीत करने वाले हैं रिलेटेड टू डिफरेंट ट्रेंडिंग नैरेटिव्स, ब्लॉकचेन, डीफाई, एनएफटीज और ना जाने क्या क्या. और क्या पता आपको इसी पॉडकास्ट सीरीज से एक नेक्स्ट 100x नैरेटिव मिल जाए. आई एम योर होस्ट आर्यन मल्होत्रा एंड आज के एपिसोड में हमें जो ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं, ही इज एन एजुकेटर, कंटेंट क्रिएटर, एक ऑथर भी है एंड ही आल्सो वर्क्स एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर कंसल्टेंट. ही इज ऑलरेडी रनिंग हिज कम्युनिटी विद इन द ब्लॉकचेन एंड एआई स्पेस. Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome you, Mr. Lakshya Taneja. So Lakshya, you are an author, ठीक है, एंड अभी आपने रिसेंटली एक एआई एंड ब्लॉकचेन पे एक बुक लिखी है. लाइक दीज टू इंडस्ट्रीज, अगर मैं बात करता हूँ एआई और ब्लॉकचेन की, कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज हैं. तो अगर आप इनको कोलैबोरेशन में आप साथ में लेकर आ रहे हो तो लाइक ये साथ में कैसे काम कर सकते हैं और क्या इसका फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव हो सकता है?
Yeah, definitely an interesting question because if we go and see right now, the blockchain and AI not going so much parallelly because people don't think like that. I think there is a very good industry match.
Right.
Okay, like if I talk about one of the industry perspective for blockchain and AI, is obviously when you go for AI, the first thing you concern is from where the data is coming.
Right.
Okay, because data biasness is a very big problem when it comes to data collection. Okay,
Same thing happening with ChatGPT
yeah,
also.
yeah. And when you're making an AI application, the first concern is that, like, imagine one of the person I met, he was in an airport and he was rejected because he was black. I was like, why you have rejected him? He is like, because we don't have collected the data of black people.
Wow.
I was like, this is something very serious. Right? So you just imagine you are living in a country where every day politics is getting changed.
Right.
Okay, and you cannot let somebody feel minority because of the data or AI or some technology mishappening. Yeah, blockchain can be one of the area where you can have the transparency and you can check how this data is collected and how this is getting used, what way and models you're interpreting.
Right.
And that's where I think AI can be more transparent. Now let's see backwards to some other technology, like how blockchain will be using AI. So I think that's where I think most of the way that AI will be using is like building the no-code dApps.
Exactly.
Then smart contract
and many are coming
testing.
up also.
Yeah, smart contract testing AI. That's various concern because if a smart contract is faulty, you are losing money for a people because of some error issue, not because of some ethical concern, cyber security hacks. Is because somebody has written a wrong code. Okay, and that person was not got a good coding technology because he was not taught well. That's where I think the blockchain and AI are blend future together, and that's why we've written this book. That okay, let's people enjoy the book. Let's read in what use cases can be brought, and where I'm seeing this industry going in the future.
अगर जैसे अभी हम एक ट्रेंड की बात करें, अभी एक पूरे एआई नरेटिव भी बन रहा है क्रिप्टो स्पेस में. स्पेशली फेच एआई ने बहुत स्वीट पंप दिया है, बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर्स खुश हैं एंड सेम बहुत सारे एआई कॉइन्स के साथ भी हो रही है. बट इवन इफ यू सी द एआई इंडस्ट्री टुडे, जो अभी ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी पे आ रही है, व्हाट आई बिलीव कि जैसे आपके एआई कॉइन्स है, राइट, कहीं ना कहीं वो अभी भी सेंट्रलाइज है, क्योंकि जो आपने डेटा की बात करी वो अभी भी कुछ कंपनीज कलेक्ट कर रही हैं जो उसे ब्लॉकचेन पे फीड कर रही हैं. तो क्या हम ये देख सकते हैं कि फ्यूचर में एआई भी जाके डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड हो रहा है, क्योंकि ब्लॉकचेन अभी डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड है बट मैं कहीं ना कहीं मानता हूँ कि एआई अभी भी सेंट्रलाइज्ड ही है.
That's where I have a concern with centralized and decentralized. Making anything a decentralized is very difficult. It's like you say decentralized, distribution is something you can easily do. You can make it distributed.
Right.
But to make it properly decentralized, this means everybody should have a power. Everybody should be a participant. And in most of the case, most of the people don't want to become a participant. Like if I tell you one of the use cases, AIMS recently in India, AIMS got hacked.
Right.
Okay, and I had a discussion with the AIMS hospital doctors, and they're like, we know that this is was hacked, and they were hacked by twice with the same company only. Just imagine.
And उन्हें पता भी नहीं था कुछ
Yeah,
time
yeah,
period
and
के लिए.
don't know that. And they're like, the problem is that we are the person who trust AIMS. We are the person who
Yes.
give our professional data there. We give our personal data there, and somebody can get our secrets, and they can use on social media. They can use anywhere. You know, it'll be, disease is very personal to someone, and it was like this is very serious concern. And that is where I thought, can we have a distribution of server so that tomorrow if one server is got hacked, at least our various data is not hacked, and we have our data secure. And that's where I thought like making it properly decentralized is something, it's like a fair dream. We should see the dreams definitely, but reality is distribution. Reality is not decentralization. People should understand that technology which was launched was DLT, distributed ledger technology.
Technology,
It
right.
was never decentralized ledger technology. Decentralization is a word that we love to say
Right.
because it's easy to sell. Okay, because if you say somebody that okay we are just bringing distribution, like okay that's already there. But if you say somebody decentralization, like oh no this is a new one, and then
Right.
like okay let's make decentralization, but at the end it's distribution.
तो अगर अभी भी मैं बात करूं तो एक कहीं ना कहीं वो मिसकंसेप्शन है वो डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वाले फ्रेज को लेके कि अभी भी लोगों को लगता है डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड है बट एक्चुअल में वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है.
Yeah, because still when we go to sell something, we always say something very attractive words.
राइट.
Like okay, if you sell somebody and you say this is a medicine which can remove the fever, it's like okay I already know. But if you say oh fever removal medicine is something like crazy words, and you just add some jargon saying like okay give me this medicine, I know this is something amazing, this is like a miracle, and they will buy. That's in India very common. You can sell anything. Like one of the person I know recently, this just happened with Supreme Court. I cannot say the company name. Everybody know the big company they are, and they got a punishment from the court because they were using wrong statements on every sentence, and people were buying it because they are loving that statement. And that's the problem with the same thing with the blockchain. I think that recently there is many good people are coming in the industry which are making it remove, and they're telling the reality. They're saying, okay, distribution led technology. They never said decentralization. Like
Right.
I never said my love decentralization. I always said distribution led technology. Decentralization is a word which we normally study, but in reality it's very difficult to achieve.
अभी हम डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन की बात करें अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लॉकचेन एंड एआई. अगर हम अब डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन की बात करें, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इथेरियम, इथेरियम अभी सेकंड लार्जेस्ट क्रिप्टो करेंसी चल रही है एंड आई बिलीव कि प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क से वो प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक पे जब स्विच हुआ उससे पहले वो कहीं ना कहीं डिसेंट्रलाइज तब भी थी, लेकिन अब मैं कहूँगा वो शायद सेंट्रलाइजेशन आ गई है उस पर, क्योंकि अभी भी मेजोरिटी ऑफ द स्टेकर्स लाइक 80% अप्रॉक्सीमेट स्टेकर्स आज की डेट में कुछ मेजर 5-6 कंपनीज ही ओन कर रही हैं. लाइक जैसे गेट है, बाइनांस है, कुछ क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंजेस हैं जो पीओएस कर रहे हैं यूजर्स का फंड लेकर, बट एक्चुअल में वो उनकी ही नोड्स हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता कि प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक से जो डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन कहीं प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क में आ सकती थी वो खत्म होती जा रही है?
I think in any concession, if you go in any concession mechanism,
Mm-hmm.
it all about the trust. If you trust that okay, this chain is okay,
Right.
it does not matter whether it is a centralized, decentralized, because at the end you need to trust in the server. If you look at Solana is a properly centralized blockchain.
Right.
Okay, everybody knows it, but they have very good dApps. They have very good use cases, and people are loving at the use cases. They're saying where we can get use cases. At the core, when we go into that for B2C use cases, I still think it all about use cases. It does not about technology which you're using.
Mm-hmm.
It does not about how you what chain you're building on. At the end, it's all about how you are building there and getting a revenue generation out of it.
Right.
Okay, like one of the idea I will give you that my friend was working on. I think the person I know they're working. It's a dating application where now people can earn money also. Okay, because recently there is every dating application which takes money from you,
Yeah.
but they don't give you money back. And there is they are making a model where you can get a money from giving advice on dating or something, tips like that.
Okay, तो मतलब
And
आप अभी यहाँ पे मेंशन करोगे जितने भी सिंगल लोग ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं वो डेटिंग ऐप इंस्टॉल करके एक्स्ट्रा रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर सकते हैं अपने
yeah,
लिए.
yeah, yeah,
तो अभी ये लक्ष्य की टिप है सबके लिए.
especially for girls. This is only for girls
तो
they are building.
हाँ, आप आपके सोशल हैंडल्स पे इनका अपडेट आ जाएगा.
Yeah, definitely they can follow me.
हाँ, तो डेफिनेटली लक्ष्य अपडेट कर देंगे कि कैसे आप डेटिंग के थ्रू पैसे कमा सकते हो.
And
बहुत लोग इंटरेस्टेड होने वाले
yeah,
हैं.
definitely. And this is something mostly the girls can earn money. I'm just telling them because my mission is to make the tier 2, tier 3 in India.
लड़कों के लिए बैड न्यूज़ है.
Especially the women which are there. Boys get a job in tier 2, tier 3, but the women are still not getting jobs. And that's where I think the India, if we want to bring that women injustice or equality, This words should not be there. It should be about income generation for them.
अभी
Okay, and
आपने
that's what I'm
शायद
like.
1 मिनट पहले लड़कों को खुशी दी होगी, अब आप वापस उनकी खुशी छीन रहे
No,
हो.
they are still happy. They will get a chance to talk to the girls, and they not only get a chance to talk to the girls. No, even girl will tell them what I like or not like.
Okay.
Okay, like if the girl will tell them, okay, I love a chocolate, and they can know, okay, which chocolate brands they love, what chocolates they love. Now the chance of getting a date will be higher than other people.
Okay,
Yeah,
wonderful. तो हम एआई ब्लॉकचेन से कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा डेटिंग साइड पे घुस चुके हैं, डेटिंग एंड ब्लॉकचेन. बट अगर अभी हम इस इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, सिंस आई गेस यू हैव वर्कड विद मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स, राइट, तो अगर अब हम एक थोड़ा मैक्रो पर्सपेक्टिव लेकर चलते हैं कि अभी पूरी क्रिप्टो स्पेस में इंडिया की अगर मैं स्पेसिफिकली बात करूं तो एक गवर्नमेंट का क्या पर्सपेक्टिव हो सकता है, क्योंकि आपने खुद अभी एक बुक भी लिखी है, तो लाइक गवर्नमेंट का मैं पर्सपेक्टिव जानने में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ कि वो कैसे इस स्पेस को, क्योंकि वो मैंने देखा है शायद ब्लॉकचेन में ज़्यादा ध्यान देती हैं बट क्रिप्टोज में नहीं. तो आप क्या बिलीव करते हैं इस चीज़ पे?
I think government is very clear what they want to do. You can be that government is not clear, but in mind they are clear.
Okay.
Like one of the recent question was asked by Nirmala Sitharaman, one of the finance minister, and she had answered that there is no problem with the crypto as an asset.
Okay.
Okay, trading is not a problem with us. Currency is a problem because you have to understand if somebody is taking a vegetable,
Right.
okay, and just imagine that vendor is sending you the vegetable, and the vegetable cost is 100 rupees. You are paying crypto, and suddenly that vegetable costs 60 rupees. Who is going to pay that 40 rupees loss just happened because of the crypto price valuation?
Because of the volatility.
Yeah, stable coins can be one of the way, but again, stable coins are not trusty. You cannot trust them.
Centralized है अभी भी.
No, stable coin is a problem that is issued by someone you don't know.
Yeah.
And
USDT सबसे बड़ा example.
yeah. And the most of the country which are regulated, they have very good banking infrastructure like India. They will never allow these things because they have a structure, they have a banks, they have a biggest institution, they have one of the biggest technology builder, MPCI, who has built UPI, biggest technology in payment. And you say that okay, we are building something amazing than UPI, nobody can build it. I don't think it's very difficult to build something like UPI nowadays. So that's why they are thinking that why not build our own blockchain currency, which is CBDC, Indian Rupee. And I think it's very okay because at the end you have to look at government angle also. But if right now they have launched CBDC for non-banking application to use it,
right,
and have a wallets of CBDC, use cases of CBDC in future, I think there's a very bright future of CBDC plus crypto plus tokens coming together. Where is there, I don't know, but at least I think government is clear what they want to do.
एक अगर अभी भी हम बात करें, आपने जैसे मेंशन करा उनका विजन बहुत क्लियर है, लाइक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द डिजिटल सिग्नेचर सर्टिफिकेट्स दैट आर बीइंग इशूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, वो भी क्रिप्टो टोकन्स हैं एंड वो भी कहीं ना कहीं उनके बैक एंड पे ब्लॉकचेन पे स्टोर्ड है, एंड अभी भी ये लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि टेक्नोलॉजी गवर्नमेंट ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंट कर चुकी है.
Again, people have to understand crypto and blockchain are two different things. People think they are always together. It's not like that. There are some blockchain like private blockchains, Hyperledger.
Right.
They don't have a crypto, but yeah, most of the use cases they can be built on Hyperledger only.
HPCL, I guess one of the projects is now.
HPCL is there. Then if I talk about one of the biggest project which is there is right now CBSC, you know, biggest institute in India,
right,
which issue certificates on all that
exactly.
10th or 12th mark sheet. They're on the blockchain now.
Amazing.
On blockchain. And just imagine when you have all the degrees on blockchain, the problem of going from India to abroad will be very easy. Because you don't need to verify everything, you don't need to check. You know, okay, everything is verified, everybody is issued by a proper institution, and by a QR code only you can scan and verify all the transaction, and the verification process suddenly, which takes at least sometimes 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, will suddenly be reduced in minutes or something. And it can save a lot of time, lot of process handling work and costing and all that, and can encourage more of the people to go and get a job outside of India.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's basically UPI for degrees.
Yeah, it can be
instant verification.
Can be one of them.
And कहीं ना कहीं एक वो बहुत मेजर प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व कर सकता है, लाइक एज अ स्टूडेंट, आप भी स्टूडेंट रहोगे, मैं भी स्टूडेंट रहा हूँ डेफिनेटली, तो आपके भी सर्कल में शायद कोई ना कोई ऐसी आइडेंटिटी होगी जो शायद फेक डिग्रीज बनाता होगा, राइट। तो वो फेक डिग्रीज वाली प्रॉब्लम मैं कहूँगा बहुत ज्यादा है कि अगर आपको कहीं पे भी जाना है, आपने कुछ अच्छा स्कोर नहीं कर रखा है, जस्ट आपने 50,000 60,000 रुपए दिया एंड फेक डिग्री आपके पास आ गई, तो ये जो मेजर एक प्रॉब्लम है ये कहीं ना कहीं कंप्लीटली सॉल्व हो जाएगी, क्योंकि अब वो फेक डिग्रीज आपकी ब्लॉकचेन पे वेरीफाई नहीं हो सकती।
I think completely India में कुछ solve नहीं हो सकता. Nobody can
ओके।
solve anything in India completely because there's always a loophole they find it. Okay, in India we are the loophole finder. If you go and ask somebody like one person I was meeting and he was saying there are a lot of CCTV and camera. Like people have already, there's an app in the market which will tell you where is the CCTV, and then you
राइट।
can stop the car before that only and
एग्जैक्टली,
reduce the
आई
speed.
हैव यूज्ड दैट।
Yeah, you can reduce the speed and you can avoid the fines and all that. I'm like, then what is the point of CCTV if you already know where the CCTV and you're already aware? Then you will always drive fast and can go and you can even get escaped. So there is no 100% solution, but at least you can have a 90%, 95% solution. And I think that's the future we are seeing. At least fake degree should not be there. I think nobody should get a fake degree because
अपनी
just
मेहनत पे कुछ करो।
just imagine if you're going to a doctor and the doctor is a fake degree. You are getting treated by the doctor. You are putting your life at stake in the front of some person who
एग्जैक्टली।
doesn't even know how to treat you.
मतलब ये कहीं ना कहीं आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट रेज करा है, अगर वो डॉक्टर ही फेक है, सो हाउ कैन आई ट्रस्ट हिम?
Yeah, yeah.
एग्जैक्टली।
And not only that, one of the area that blockchain is mostly, I think, will be getting used in the future is the supply chain.
राइट।
Why? Because when we talk about supply chain, no, right now nobody's understanding, but in coming terms, people are getting aware. Fake medicine is biggest problem. Okay,
ट्रू।
I will tell you one of the, I think figures I don't exactly remember, but I think one of the figures were that every 3 medicine you buy, at least one is fake in India. Just imagine how much fake medicine market is there. Okay, and just imagine I had a fever and I taken 3 medicine. Okay, and I was like, okay, I've taken 3 medicine, I'm now okay, I'm now okay. But actually, I've taken only 2 medicine. One was fake,
एंड यू डोंट
and
नो
that
अबाउट इट।
that fake one has done nothing in my body. Just like, or it can be a mistreatment or something. But imagine there's done nothing in my body. There's no mistreatment. Then who will be responsible if something happens to me? Who is going to take responsible?
कोई भी नहीं लेगा।
I don't even have the proof that this is fake. Right now, I don't have the proof to prove that this is a fake medicine.
एग्जैक्टली।
Yeah, and that's the world we are living in. We are eating that medicine. We are eating the food, which we don't know whether it is a fake or genuine. And I think supply chain is the biggest use case which will be disturb all industry, and blockchain will be mostly used in this industry already.
एंड नॉट जस्ट इन इंडिया बट ग्लोबली।
Yeah, yeah. This is a very big area. Food supply chain, farmer supply chain, agriculture supply chain. Supply chain is everywhere. Every industry use supply chain. And at the end, if consumer does not know which they are eating, and you know that today consumer is very aware, especially when you go to the girls, they are like, can you give me the whole input of the material I am buying? Kitna, how much protein is there, how much calcium is there, how much nutrients are there, because they love to maintain their figures. And then you tell them, okay, we don't know the information. They're like, we don't want to buy it. Okay, and that's where you just put a QR code and people can scan all the information. They're like, oh, this is amazing, I know.
and
And
that can be also verified, like for example I am buying that particular fruit,
yeah,
whether this is imported, grown in India, right? And if it is
everything.
imported also, like from which countries it has come to India.
Yeah. Supply chain is the biggest use case.
तो अगर अब हम सप्लाई, अभी आपने थोड़ी देर पहले CBDCs की भी बात करी थी, तो अगर मैं वापस से CBDCs के टॉपिक पे आ रहा हूँ, लाइक अगर हमारे पास एग्जिस्टिंग UPI है, then why do we need CBDCs?
Difference between UPI and CBDC. UPI is a technology. CBDC is a way of paying payment. It's not a technology. It's a currency issue. There's a difference. Like people are very much confused with the UPI and CBDC. UPI can be merged with CBDC in future.
Okay.
Because UPI is a technology. It's nothing. It is a UPI payment technology. That's why you see Singapore is using UPI. Sri Lanka is using UPI. If that's the scene that only it is a currency, then nobody can use UPI.
Even
Apart from
Google
India.
is also adopting that.
Yeah. Apart from India, nobody can use it because it is a technology. And CBDC is a currency. There's a difference between both. That's people should get clear.
बट अगर हम कहीं ना कहीं CBDCs की बात करते हैं, लाइक फॉर मी द बिगेस्ट फियर फॉर CBDCs, लाइक चाइना में ऑलरेडी इंप्लीमेंटेड है, बट वहाँ पे ना सर्वेलेंस गवर्नमेंट का बहुत ज़्यादा ऑन इट्स पीपल, बिकॉज दे कैन कंट्रोल, अगर वो बिहेव नहीं कर रहे हैं दे कैन डायरेक्टली डिडक्ट दैट मनी from their accounts without asking them, without asking their permission. And same thing, like अगर उन्हें कोई taxes pay करने हैं, automatically उनके पास जो income आएगी वो taxes deduct करके आती है. तो this things, मतलब मैं कहूँगा इतना ज़्यादा surveillance बना देती हैं उनके citizens पे, like वो freedom. अगर आज की डेट में मैं आपके साथ यहाँ पे बात के कॉन्वर्जेशन कर रहा हूँ एंड इस कॉन्वर्जेशन में कोई ऐसी चीज़ हुई जो गवर्नमेंट को पसंद नहीं आई, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो मेरा भी बैंक अकाउंट सीज कर सकती है, जैसा भी चाइना में हो रहा है. तो आपको नहीं लगता कि कहीं ना कहीं ये भी फ्यूचर में हो पाएगा अगर इंडिया में? बिकॉज
Yeah, it can
आज
happen.
गवर्नमेंट स्टेबल है बट कल का नहीं
No,
पता.
this can happen in India also, but it all depends upon political scenario. It all depends upon what people want. If they want a dictatorship and they want a government where they want a surveillance, they will get it. If they don't want it, they can remove. In India, we have election every 5 years. That's the beauty. Okay, and that's why we always say that election is the biggest asset that India has. The day the election will not happen in India, you cannot imagine the problem that will be created. But right now, there's no fear. At least I think, because India is very much aware. The education is very good here, and I think politically we are very much aware. If you
Right.
go and discuss every, I can tell you, every tea stall, every uncle was sitting and they will be like, who will win election? Who will win election? All the discussion is going on already in India. So because in India we love politics, our politics is level DLA, and as soon the politics is out of our DLA, we cannot live. It's like our breath layer we take politics. Okay, and that's where I think India is very much safe with that thing.
जितना पॉलिटिक्स इंडियंस के खून में है,
Yeah.
अगर उतना ही एक बार वो क्रिप्टो की कॉन्वर्जेशन घुस गई तो क्रिप्टो कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच सकते हैं यहाँ पे.
This happened, I think, one of the survey was happened with WazirX, which
Okay.
launched their, I think, centralized exchange.
Mhm.
And you know where the most of the Bitcoin purchase happened? Rajasthan women's.
Okay.
Okay, and there are village women who brought Bitcoin, and they are like, we don't know ABCD of Bitcoin. They just brought because they had a fear, they had a money, and that money can be taken by their husbands, because they had a fear, because this is our personal money. They have saved it in the pillow, they have kept it under the carpet or somewhere, and they have put in the same money into the Varex. Okay, and they lost a lot of money. But and in the end, the study shows that in India, women can be the biggest asset which can be come into crypto, because they don't know stock market now.
Right.
Okay, they don't are in stock market. If you start teaching them cryptos right now, they can be one of the crypto market developer, because they can shift to crypto, because they always say stock market is for men, then they can say crypto is for us. Okay, they can be 1-2 market, like one female, one man market. That's can be one of the scenario in India can build. Yeah.
तो लाइक अगर अभी आप वैसे बात कर रहे हो कि वुमेन्स का अभी बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्वमेंट रह रहा है स्पेशली राजस्थान एरिया से इन बिटकॉइन, एंड दैट्स कम्प्लीटली न्यू टू मी. मतलब इसकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस मुझे नहीं थी, बिकॉज जो हमारे पास स्टैट्स हैं, ठीक है, जो हमारे पास फिनफार्म के स्टैट्स हैं, उसके हिसाब से अगर मैं अडॉप्शन की बात करूँ तो हमें सबसे ज़्यादा दिखता है कि मध्य प्रदेश और गुजरात से बहुत ज़्यादा यूजेस आ रहे हैं. एंड राजस्थान में वो भी वुमेन्स कौन है, ये इंटायरली मैं कहूँगा एक शॉकिंग न्यूज़ है.
Yeah, definitely it's a shocking news. I read an article and I was also amazed. I was like, this is something very new for the industry. And if you personally ask it, I think
Right.
in coming time, women are going to be the biggest investors in crypto. Why I always say that? Because if you today see, women are getting income generation more than men in some scenes. Like if I talk about YouTube's Instagram,
Right.
Instagram is all about women. You just see the males and women problem in there. I was like, one woman was just recording a song, it's sitting, and he has got 1 lakh views. And I was like, one male was doing a dance, proper shots and everything, and he has got only 100 views. I was like, this is a
The
difference between.
social media is biased from men and women.
Yeah.
मतलब
It will always be biased. It cannot be unbiased. That's our society mentality. You cannot change everything, but yeah, definitely there's a way. I think in future, women will be earning more than men. That's the future, I think.
From crypto or from everywhere?
Most of them everywhere, but yeah, in crypto they can be the biggest investor, because when they earn, they will invest.
Mhm.
Okay, and they don't know stock
And the
market
men are
right now.
taking care of them.
They don't know stock market right now. And if we start teaching crypto, and you see a lot of schools and lot of colleges, even my community which is here, we are also planning in the future to focus on women mostly, and to teach them crypto investment, because I think that is easy for them.
Okay.
They can understand it better. Stock market is tough for them, because there is a very traditional method going on, then SEBI regulations and cryptos and all that thing, and then you have to register and you have to go take permission of your husband, And okay, I'm investing in stock market. Sometimes it's like you don't even know ABCD why you want to invest in crypto. You don't need to tell anything. You just open a wallet.
Right.
Okay,
Instantly.
don't need to tell anything. You can have a wallet in mobile, and your husband does not even know that you are investing in crypto. Just tomorrow after one, you can say, "Oh, I made this much profit in crypto." It's like, "Oh, I don't know." It's like, just take it. This is your, and then this is the future, I think, because crypto is easy for them to adopt. There is no social barrier problem with them. No permission of asking the husband and the spouse or anybody is there. Okay, I want to invest. How should I invest? Because it's very easy. You just want to open a wallet and start trading and get investment started.
एंड कहीं ना कहीं आई विल से ये स्टेटमेंट स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रू है बिकॉज हमारी कम्युनिटी में बहुत ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स इन्वॉल्व है एंड फॉर देम इफ दे ओनली हैव 100 रुपीज दे कैन बाय 0.0001 बिटकॉइन बट दे कैन नॉट बाय 0.1 अमाउंट ऑफ शेयर
Yeah. They cannot buy. And I met one of the students, and they're like, the student in today has a very big dream. If I talk about India, I think crypto has a very good future. Already we are seeing a very good future is already there. People are getting aware. They know how to avoid tax. Okay, they know that if you sell a crypto, then you have to pay a tax. If you don't sell a crypto, there's no tax.
एग्जैक्टली
So now they're only purchasing, and they're like, okay, after 25 or 50 years, I will sell, or I will not even sell. I will give it to my children, and then my children will give it to my children, my children will give it to my children.
asset
Let's see how much government can wait. I will go to 100-year plan and let government wait 100 years for taxing my crypto.
आई गेस देयर इज अ टैक्स लूप होल इवन अगर ऑडियंस को ज्यादा पता है तो वो भी कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकता है डेफिनेटली
Yeah.
बट जब आप प्रॉपर्टी मतलब जब आपके एसेट्स होते हैं आपकी आगे वाली जनरेशन उसे इनहेरिट करती है तो जितने भी जब तक वो बीच का कैपिटल गेन होता है दैट्स रीसेट्स टू जीरो बिकॉज जब उन्होंने इनहेरिट करी है तो उसकी मार्केट वैल्यू कुछ और होती है तो मतलब अगर यही चीज हम कंटिन्यू करते जाते हैं तो इस तरीके से वो एक इनफिनाइट टैक्स ग्लिच हो गया
Yeah, definitely. And this can be one of the assets which can you transfer to your children very easily. You don't need to go to ask government permission. You don't need to go to government office and say, I want to transfer my real estate papers. I have to get a signs and all that. Just what you have to do, you have to have a crypto wallet. Then you have your entire wallet address. Transfer that all your money and that done.
एंड राइट जैसे अभी हमारे पास मटेरियल बिटकॉइन ऑफ कोर्स इस पॉडकास्ट सीरीज का स्पॉन्सर है अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव बॉट माय बिटकॉइन एंड ट्रांसफर्ड दिस टू दिस वॉलेट पर्टिकुलरली आई कैन इजीली गिव इट टू माय चिल्ड्रन
Yeah, this can not be damaged. Nah? This is like a
Exactly.
proper street. Nobody can damage it. You can just give it to your like your son, and you can say this is your birthday gift of 18th when he's on 18th, and he's like, why you're giving? He's like, now you're mature, you have an asset, and this is your property. It's like this is a property. Like yeah, this is a property, and in future whenever you get 21, 25, 28, take this home, but till then enjoy the Bitcoin.
एग्जैक्टली
And it's like yeah,
enjoy
this
those
is-
rights
Yeah,
the
enjoy
pumps
those
and the
rights.
dumps
Yeah. And if you want to do invest, it's up to you. If you don't want to invest, you can sell it, but then you have to pay tax. Just imagine, if you don't want to pay tax, what you can do, you can keep this money with you, and you can transfer the same money to your children when they happen.
एंड मे बी अगर हम इतना लंबे पर्सपेक्टिव की बात करें एंड आपने जैसे बताया कि गवर्नमेंट का पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत क्लियर है कि क्रिप्टोस कैन बी एन एसेट बट कैन नॉट बी अ करेंसी इन इंडिया तो अगर मैं इस एसेट की बात करूं लाइक इफ आई ओन अ रियल एस्टेट और मे बी सम स्टॉक्स आज की डेट में मैं उसको कोलैटरल रख के बैंक से लोन ले सकता हूँ तो मे बी सेम थिंग कैन हैपन विद बिटकॉइन इन फ्यूचर और अदर एनी क्रिप्टो करेंसी
Not I think only Bitcoin and all that. I think in NFT can be one of the area
Okay.
because just right now, what is happening? Real world tokenization is one of the biggest use case we should talk about. Is like what happened there. Like imagine I just brought a. What happened? Normally, I cannot buy a villa today. It's very costly to buy a home. You know.
या
Okay, I was talking with my friend. I like I will only marry when I will get a I will have my own home, and he's like, yeah, but that will take at least 10 to 15 years, and that time I will not get a girl. He's like, yeah, that's the reality.
maybe he can use your dating app
So I was like, yeah, that's the reality, and he's like, can I buy a bathroom because I only need a bathroom for my personal space? Remaining I can be living on rent. I was like, yeah, that can be one scenario, and we searched and then we found real world tokenization can be the way
okay
where you can have a bathroom owner. Okay, the bathroom is your personal, but remaining is your real world on rent.
on
And
rent
future you can purchase part.
Mhm.
Okay, and I was like, yeah, this is one of the way. And I think NFT can be integrated with that because NFT represent a property picture, it will represent property rights, and it can be like something that Bitcoin colored coins came earlier when this was a concept of
बहुत
colored
बहुत
coins. Yeah.
right
but that did not go well because the problem is that colored coins do not show you the difference between two different vegetables. They can be vegetable coin, but how will you know this is an onion coin and this is a radish coin? You don't know. Now you can have a photo of that using NFT, and that's where I think NFT can be the biggest use case coming into real world tokenization. Supply chain is one of the use cases, I think, and I think now people are understanding NFT is not just about that dogs and cats which you used to buy. It's something better than that. It is a Gen 2 NFT, which is a real world use cases NFT. Yeah.
तो अगर जैसे अभी हमने क्रिप्टोज की बात करी कि क्रिप्टोज को लेके गवर्नमेंट का पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत क्लियर है, तो क्या वो एनएफटीज के लिए भी सेम चीज सोच रहे हैं, लाइक प्लान थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है?
I think they are very much clear about NFT. They know the difference between crypto and NFT. Problem is government does not tell anyone what they are thinking. It is very secretive. They only discuss within the 5-6 people, and then they tomorrow announce something. Okay.
Like demonetization happened.
Yeah.
Overnight.
So you have to be prepared about that. But I think India knows that most of the jobs which will be created will be by blockchain only in future, because gaming is one of the area. You know that recently our PM Mr. Modi sir has met gamers in his, I think, apartment home or somewhere, and that gamers introduced him the VR headset and gifted him some games with tools, and he was like playing racing car games and all that, and he was like, this is the future. Now PM knows that gaming is the future, because how will you make sure that everyone can earn income? You have to bring industry, and I think gaming is one of the industry which can generate income, but again blockchain with gaming is required
to earn money.
Yeah, to
earn
money.
Good amount of money, right?
And token distribution mechanism, because if the game does not have the money, then nobody will play it. For shock, like for enjoyment, only 10% or 5% people will play. But if you just put money, I think in India 50% people will start playing. Just to see IPL. Most of the people, why they watch IPL, everybody know. There's no meaning of watching IPL if you're not putting a bet on IPL. I'm telling you, I never watch IPL. Okay, because I don't put bet. I don't love putting the betting right now. But in future, when I start putting betting, I will be seeing every match. I have to save the match, because now I don't know which player will you have to buy. What is happening with my money? Okay, same way, if you see who is watching stock market, the people who are buying shares. Apart from them, nobody will watch stock market. Same with crypto. Who is watching crypto market? Who is buying cryptos? So you have to understand there is a different segment, and everybody is not for crypto. And we don't have to target everybody. But yeah, in India, if you target 10% audience, also you're done. Because India has a 140 CR population. So 10% means
China को cross कर दिया.
14 CR population in crypto is like, you are well done.
ठीक है, अभी जैसा आपने मेंशन करा आईपीएल के बारे में, ठीक है, आईपीएल पे डेफिनेटली सबको पता है बैटिंग होती है, इतने सारे एप्स भी मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, बट स्टिल उसको बैटिंग नहीं बोला जाता, उसको गेमिंग बोला जाता है. बट क्रिप्टोज में जहां पर हमें एक्चुअल में टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करना पड़ता है, एक्चुअल में फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस भी करना पड़ता है, गैम्बलिंग उससे बोला जाता है.
It's because the government in India has a fear of the tax evasion, and they think most of the illegal activity only happen crypto, because it's like, when you don't know and you want to make sure that this technology or this currency can never be used as a currency in our country, then you start creating that image, and that happens with every technology. It's not new with crypto. This has happened with internet also. You know that in the era of internet was launched, the government has a argument that internet can be bad for industry. It can take away jobs. Okay, and so one of the minister was laughing. Is like, if internet can take away jobs at that time, then you can say blockchain can take jobs today. And it's like, yeah,
that's completely true.
Yeah. So that's happened with every technology. Every technology has to go through changes. Every technology has to go to political environment, and they have to go and fight politics.
Phases
and phases will come in life, and they will go and pass. And then I think we are very much good in the blockchain industry, because at least today the government are more technological savvy compared to that time government. Because that time government, they don't know anything about internet today. Everybody in government use social media. Everybody has a social media account. They know what is Web 2 at least. Then
Web 2.5.
Yeah, they know these terms. And if you tell them Web 3, they will little bit understand easily, because now they are much better educated as compared to that generation. Yeah, but still, I think a lot of education is required.
Okay.
but that is happening with a lot of
तो
communities are there.
before heading to our last question, right, एक छोटी सी गेम आपके साथ करनी है, and that is a game that we have introduced especially for the Coffee with Crypto podcast. ठीक है, I am just giving you 3 words, ठीक है, एंड शायद आपने बचपन में ये गेम कभी खेली होगी. वो वर्ड सुनते ही जो भी चीज सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में आती है, आपको सिर्फ वो बोलनी है. ठीक है, एंड वो सारे वर्ड्स कहीं ना कहीं हमारी Web3 Web2 इंडस्ट्री से ही रिलेटेड है. ठीक है, तो रेडी हो आप? ओके, तो सबसे पहले बिटकॉइन.
Bitcoin, decentralization for money.
Okay, podcast.
Future creators.
And if we talk about IPL.
Betting platform.
Betting platform only. ठीक है, तो ये 3 थे मेरे क्वेश्चंस. अब आज के पॉडकास्ट के लिए एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, एंड शायद ऑडियंस भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रही होगी कि अगर कोई आज की डेट में इस इंडस्ट्री में स्टार्ट करना चाह रहा है, तो उसके लिए आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे?
Join communities. There are a lot of communities, especially college student. I think they can easily join today because everybody in crypto is targeting college students only. Okay, they want to become them ambassador. They want to make them some social media thing, and I think college students should understand that now is the time when they should become a founders and co-founders in startups. At 4th year, they should start their startup. They should not think what have happened to my job, because in 4th year, your parents are not accepting you to earn. They know that you are 4th year.
Right.
They will ask you after 1 year. So till that 1 year, you can at least have a setup of your startup. You can get grants from the government. You can start your approaches. You can get funds or something. And in that 4th year, you can set up your whole thing. I think now people mindset should change, and they should tell their parents, okay, at least give me 1 year. In 4th year, I will start my startup. If I'm not successful, job is always there. Job is not going away. But keep doing startup. And I think do not think what society thinks. Always do what you love. Okay, because society is not going to come tomorrow when you are going to fail or you are going getting problem in your personal life. Nobody going to come. It's only you who will be in charge of your life. If you are happy, you are feeling good about your energy, keep doing that. You will be successful one day, or you will be at least getting somewhere. So that's where I think, and communities are there. You can join Bitmain if you can join Observe your community. A lot of communities are there, and they're always helping people to learn blockchain. We are also having AI, so one more technology we are teaching. Yeah.
आइल से काफी वैल्यूएबल पीस ऑफ एडवाइस है. ये सिर्फ मैं कहूँगा क्रिप्टो इंडस्ट्री के लिए एप्लीकेबल नहीं होती, कि जो आपने एक लाइन बोली कि वो करो जो आपको जिससे प्यार है. ठीक है, अगर आप वो चीज कर रहे हो तो इट डजंट मैटर. एग्जैक्टली.
At least you're happy, na?
Exactly.
Just imagine after 60 years, you're like, I married on 30 because society told me to married at 30, and you're like, but I'm not happy because I don't live that life what I want. I want to travel the world. I want to explore the world. I want to do more partnership, more something, more learning. You can do that because now you have to understand, already we have 140 CR population in India.
Right.
Why want to increase the population? Let's decrease, na? So that's where I think people should understand. Let's fulfill your promises, live your life, and enjoy the life. There's a lot of time left. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Lakshya, for joining us today in the Coffee with Crypto episode. But I have a gift from you from Material Bitcoin. This is a hardware wallet. Thank you for joining us today and अपने insights हमारी audience के साथ share करने के लिए.
Yeah, thank you.